curves all around, looking like the ocean flow. Glazed eyes, she glimmer with her own haze of flow. Double threat, eyes and thighs, could have hit it a night ago. Decided to keep it on the silent show. Easy dime, sweet of that kind. She used to ask me about my ex. Oh well, what's next? Didn't care about the sex. Finna how she worked the flow. How I'm joking, but that thing was spoken. Finna take her home, get in the tub, start the show soaking. I was in the zone with her, looking proud, exotic. The night's young, don't be afraid of the dark. I'm right here, baby girl, holding your hand, no need for a bark. You may think men are dogs, but I'm different. I'll show you who I am when we sink in. The ocean view, the beach and sand, all of this is nothing to your beauty. Can you show me the way to your heart? Can you show me the way? We both have broken hearts. What's the point of choosing cards? Yeah, we got the jokers out and we got aces in our hearts. Oh yeah. Cupid sent me to your heart. This is the shit of a kind. At the time I was ready to bind. Now I'm back in line. Don't get a problem with that, I'm one of a kind. Back to the story, I'll keep it straight. Choose to keep me on top of the rate. Girls ready guys, guys ready girls. I have my eyes on one, no need to trade. How like a brave work here for a nigga like 2 and 3 would do. True, how that natural fitness really just spike up the hair with glue. American crew, that's the way she do. That's the way she do. We both have broken hearts. What's the point of choosing cards? Yeah, we got the jokers out and we got aces in our hearts. Oh yeah. Cupid sent me to your heart. Know you're a bit scared, but if you're done flying, we can get to do something and get to true love. And you know what I'm talking about. You know we're so alike. We love to be the best and beat our own foes. I know we're not perfect, but we complete our own flaws like matching shoes and clothes. Now I got nothing to say, but when I make it, I'll start a song with you.